Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best boardless skateboard is probably one of the most innovative and fun ways for kids to experience the thrill of skateboarding without the deck. This unique product allows children to glide and balance, offering a fantastic opportunity to develop coordination and motor skills. Join me as we dive into the world of boardless skateboarding, exploring its features, benefits, and what makes it a great choice for young adventurers. Number 5. The original mini bamboo cruiser longboard. This mini longboard is designed for ultimate portability. It's small enough to fit in a backpack or locker, making it easy to take with you wherever you go. Despite its size, it still rides like a longboard. Equipped with 7-inch skateboard trucks, this board offers a smooth and enjoyable ride. It's perfect for cruising and relaxing, making it an ideal choice for any rider. The soft 76A wheels ensure a stable and sturdy ride, even over bumps and cracks. This feature makes it a great option for beginners, providing confidence and control. Made from 6 layers of durable bamboo, this board is built to last. Unlike traditional maple skateboards, it resists chipping and maintains its integrity over time. Created in San Francisco and tested on the iconic boardwalks of Venice Beach and Santa Barbara. This board is perfect for adults, teens, and kids alike, offering a fun and reliable ride. What we like. This board's portability is a game changer. It's designed to fit in backpacks and lockers, making it easy to take anywhere. If you're looking for a board that's convenient and fun, this is the one for you. What people say. Smooth ride on different surfaces. Large wheels makes going over cracks easier. Easy to turn for my kids, plus a great turn radius makes for sharp turns. Number 4. Flybar 3-in-1 Learn to Skate. This innovative design prioritizes balance development. It utilizes a dedicated balance roller to help you perfect your equilibrium. This will strengthen your core and build the stability you need for skateboarding. This 3-in-1 skateboard trainer offers a simplified path to skate mastery. It allows you to focus on honing your skateboarding techniques. It's a dedicated platform for skill advancement, whether you're a beginner or experienced rider. Designed for seamless progression, this trainer is perfect for practicing tricks. From ollies to kickflips, it provides an ideal platform. This empowers you to take your skills to new heights. Experience the joy of mastering skateboarding skills. This innovative trainer combines effective skill building with fun. It makes your learning journey both exciting and rewarding. Transition seamlessly between indoors and outdoors. This trainer adapts to different settings, ensuring a dynamic and convenient skateboarding practice. You can perfect your skills in the comfort of your home or enjoy the outdoors. What we like. This trainer focuses on balance, helping you develop core strength and stability. It offers a simplified path to skate mastery, allowing you to hone your techniques. If you are a beginner, or want to improve your skills, it's a great choice. What people say. She likes all the options. When it's raining, she plays with the balance board. This wonderful little learning board had me hooked. I love that my niece will be able to safely learn the proper way to handle a board. I am thrilled that it is such a complete thing that will help her learn the basics. The best part is that there are no tools needed. This skateboard is perfect for my 8-year-old. As a beginner, this has been perfect for her to develop the needed skills for skating. First, it can be used for practicing balance, and as this skill is better developed, it can be changed to the skating aspect. As she becomes more proficient in skating, she can then move on to tricks. It is designed to help her master skate tricks fast and easy. One of the things I love most about this skateboard is its durability. It's built to withstand all the bumps and falls that come with learning. Number 3. Magneto 27.5 Complete Skateboard for Beginners. This board was designed by skaters, drawing inspiration from Southern California's surf culture. We focus on simple aesthetics and natural materials. We also prioritize customer satisfaction, ensuring you're thrilled with your new board. This is the perfect board for skating everywhere. Its small size makes it easy to carry around. It's great for cruising and riding wherever you go. The double kicktails add fun and versatility. They enable tricks like manis and ollies. The design provides a cool, surf-style feel while maintaining great performance. The deck is made from 6 plies of Canadian maple, making it strong and durable. It features a sand grit finish for grip, showcasing the maple deck and unique graphics. The trucks are made from quality gravity cast aluminum, ensuring reliability. They have a 5-inch hanger and a 55-degree kingpin angle. The wheels and bushings are cast in high-quality SHR polyurethane, with no plastic parts. What we like. This board is designed by skaters, and inspired by Southern California. Its small size makes it easy to carry around. If you're looking for a board that's easy to transport and fun to ride, this is a great option. What people say. Changed the bushings and it was perfect for him. Turns well, is super cute and he adores it. Works great on asphalt and at the skate park. Came pre-built and rides very smooth and controlled. Well built, bought it for my daughter who has never been on a skateboard and she was out and about just like that. Number 2. Magneto Complete Skateboard for Beginners and Teens. This board was designed by skaters, drawing inspiration from Southern California's surf culture. The simple aesthetics of the board let the design shine. It's a board made by skaters, for skaters. This board is designed to be fun and easy to carry. Its small size makes it perfect for taking on the go, while still providing a great ride. It's ideal for cruising and riding everywhere. The double kicktails add fun and versatility. They enable tricks like manis and ollies. The asymmetric design provides a cool, surf-style look while maintaining high performance. The deck is made from premium 7-ply hard maple, making it strong and durable. It features an 80-grit grip tape to keep your feet secure while showcasing the unique graphics. This board features SHR urethane wheels, ABC 5 bearings, aluminum skate trucks, and SHR urethane bushings. These components are designed for an ideal cruising experience, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable ride. What we like. This board is designed by skaters, and inspired by Southern California. Its small size makes it easy to carry around. If you're looking for a board that's easy to transport and fun to ride, this is a great option. What people say. After trying my son's Walmart Minecraft skateboard, this one feels like you're on a pro skateboard. All the materials they use are in the recommended specs and the designs are awesome. Good and comes with a learning video, great for beginners. Excellent. My child loves this skateboard and it is a sturdy one. Number 1. Magneto 44 Kicktail Cruiser Longboard Skateboard. This board was made by skaters, inspired by Southern California's surf culture. The simple, natural design is a nod to the local scene. We are committed to providing excellent customer service, responding to all inquiries within 24 hours. This 44-inch long skateboard is perfect for cruising and skating around town. With kicktails, it's ready for various riding styles, suitable for both teens and adults who want to skate with ease. The 70mm wheels are made from soft 78A urethane, offering extra grip and a smooth ride on rough roads. These translucent wheels are perfect for the cruising this longboard excels at. The deck combines bamboo veneer with a maple core for strength and beauty. A sand grit finish provides grip without hassle, highlighting the bamboo design. The gravity cast aluminum trucks and SHR bushings add durability and enhance the cruising experience. This adult longboard skateboard is your perfect companion for outdoor fun, whether you're at the park, beach, or bike path. It's a great alternative to bicycles or roller skates, and perfect for land SUP paddling. Get creative and enjoy skating with it. What we like. This longboard is inspired by the California surf culture. It's perfect for cruising and skating around town. If you like a smooth ride with a touch of style, this board is your perfect companion for outdoor fun. What people say. The bigger wheels helped with sidewalk cracks and bumps. The board is surprisingly lighter than what I expected. It rolls smooth right out of the box. Though it only comes with ABC 5 bearings. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.